Hey, Wise Dollar community. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a step-by-step challenge on how to save $1,000 in just 30 days. Whether you're looking to build an emergency fund or just boost your savings, this challenge is perfect for you. Let's get started. First things first, let's set our goal. We're aiming to save $1,000 in 30 days. Use a savings tracker or an app to monitor your progress daily. Seeing those numbers add up can be incredibly motivating. Trust me, tracking your progress is key to staying on course. Visualizing your progress can really help keep you motivated. Apps like Inab, Mint, or even a simple Excel sheet can work wonders. Set daily or weekly goals and celebrate each milestone. You'd be surprised how quickly you can build momentum. Setting a clear goal is crucial. It's not just about aiming to save $1,000, but understanding the why behind it. Maybe it's for an emergency fund, a vacation, or paying down debt. Write down your goal and place it somewhere visible. This constant reminder can help keep you motivated throughout the month. Now, let's create a budget. List all your monthly income and expenses. Identify areas where you can cut back. This might be tough, but remember it's only for 30 days. Highlight non-essential expenses and see where you can make adjustments. Creating a budget is all about understanding where your money is going. Start by listing your fixed expenses like rent, utilities, and any loan payments. Then, move on to variable expenses like groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Look for areas where you can cut back. Maybe skip that daily latte or dine out less frequently. Every little bit helps. There are several budgeting methods you can try. Zero-based budgeting involves allocating every dollar of your income to a specific category, leaving no money unaccounted for. The envelope system involves placing cash for different spending categories in envelopes. When the cash is gone, you stop spending. These methods can help you control your spending more effectively. Time to trim the fat. Cancel subscriptions you don't use, cook at home instead of eating out, and avoid impulse buys. Every little bit adds up. Think about it. Those daily lattes might seem small, but over a month, they make a big difference. Look at your bank statements and highlight any subscriptions you rarely use. Streaming services, magazines, gym memberships, etc. Canceling these can save you a chunk of money. For meals, plan ahead and cook at home. It's healthier and way cheaper. Online shopping can be a big trap, so try to avoid it for this month. If you see something you want to buy, wait 24 hours before making the purchase. Chances are, you'll decide you don't need it after all. Cutting unnecessary expenses can go beyond just canceling subscriptions. Meal prepping can save a lot of money compared to eating out. Using energy-efficient appliances and unplugging electronics when not in use can reduce your utility bills. Consider DIY home repairs instead of hiring professionals for minor fixes. Boost your income with a side hustle. Freelance, sell used items, or offer services like babysitting or dog walking. The extra cash you bring in can go straight into your savings. Side hustles are a fantastic way to accelerate your savings goal. Freelancing is a great way to earn extra cash. Websites like Upwork or Fiverr offer opportunities in writing, graphic design, and more. If you have items lying around the house that you no longer need, consider selling them on eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. Services like babysitting, pet sitting, or even running errands for neighbors can also bring in some quick cash. Every bit counts toward your $1,000 goal. Let's explore more side hustle options. Pet sitting or dog walking can be a fun and rewarding way to earn extra cash. Delivery services like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Instacart are flexible and can be done in your spare time. If you excel in a particular subject, online tutoring can be a lucrative option. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. Aim to save about $34 each day to hit our $1,000 goal. Automating this process ensures you won't forget to save, and it makes the challenge that much easier. Most banks allow you to set up automatic transfers from your checking to your savings account. Log into your online banking, set the amount you want to transfer, and choose the frequency. By automating this, you're making saving a priority and it becomes a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Automating your savings might sound technical, but it's quite simple. Log into your online banking account, navigate to the transfer section, and set up a recurring transfer from your checking to your savings account. Choose an amount and frequency that align with your savings goal. This ensures you save consistently without having to think about it. Save on daily purchases. Use coupons and cashback apps for groceries and essentials. Opt for generic brands instead of name brands. Plan your meals and shop with a list to avoid unnecessary purchases. These small changes can lead to big savings. Apps like Ibotta, Rakuten, and Honey can help you save on everyday purchases. Before you head to the store, check for coupons and cashback offers. Plan your meals for the week and make a shopping list to avoid buying items you don't need. And don't shy away from generic brands. They often have the same quality as name brands at a fraction of the cost. Smart shopping goes beyond using coupons. Buying in bulk can save money in the long run, especially for non-perishable items. Always compare prices before making a purchase. Apps like Flip can help you find the best deals. Join store loyalty programs to take advantage of member discounts and rewards. Cut down on transportation costs. Carpool, bike, or use public transport. Combine errands to save on gas. Not only will you save money, but you'll also be doing your part for the environment. If you drive to work, see if you can carpool with colleagues. It's a great way to split the cost of gas. Biking is another fantastic option. It's free and good for your health. Public transport can also be a more economical choice. Plan your errands so that you can do them all in one trip, saving both time and fuel. Maintaining your vehicle can prevent costly repairs and improve fuel efficiency. Simple tasks like regular oil changes, keeping tires properly inflated, and using fuel-efficient driving techniques can save you money. For public transport, look into monthly passes or discounts for frequent travelers. These small steps add up. Have fun without breaking the bank. Enjoy free or low-cost activities like hiking, reading, or hosting a movie night at home. There are plenty of ways to entertain yourself and your family without spending a fortune. Check out local parks or hiking trails. They're often free and a great way to spend a day. Borrow books from the library instead of buying them. Host a movie night with friends, where everyone brings a snack. Get creative with your entertainment options. You'll be surprised at how much fun you can have without spending much money. Check out local events like free concerts, festivals, and community gatherings. Joining community groups or clubs can provide entertainment and social interaction at little to no cost. Get creative with DIY projects at home, like gardening, crafting, or home improvement projects. Check in weekly. Review your spending and savings progress. Adjust your strategies if needed to stay on track. It's important to be flexible and make changes as you go. Set aside some time each week to review your budget and track your savings. See what's working and what's not. Maybe you need to cut back more in certain areas or find additional ways to save. Being flexible and making adjustments as needed will help you stay on track to reach your goal. Set aside time each week to review your progress. This isn't just about tracking your savings, but also about identifying any challenges you face and finding solutions. Maybe you spent more than planned on groceries. Can you adjust by cutting back elsewhere? Regular reviews keep you accountable and help you stay on track. Stay motivated by reminding yourself of the benefits of having an emergency fund. Celebrate small milestones along the way. You've got this. Each step you take gets you closer to your goal. An emergency fund provides a financial safety net, giving you peace of mind and security. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Reward yourself for reaching milestones. Maybe treat yourself to a small, inexpensive treat when you hit $500. Remember why you're doing this and stay focused on your goal. Staying motivated is key. Surround yourself with motivational quotes or reminders of your goals. Read success stories from others who have achieved similar financial goals. Consider small rewards for yourself when you hit milestones, maybe a small treat when you reach $500. These rewards can keep you motivated without derailing your progress. If you're finding these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Wise Dollar for more personal finance tips. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might be looking to save money too.